As a chiropractor, one of our primary missions is to put an end to the unnecessary suffering that so many people live with from various conditions and ailments. We cannot achieve this mission without your help. This month, we're targeting leg pain and sciatica. This is a problem that is more common than most people think, and it can often be a symptom of a more serious spinal or disc problem. When any leg pain or sciatica condition is left ignored and untreated, it can often progress to a more chronic or even permanent condition. The medical approach to this ailment is to provide anti-inflammatory drugs and pain pills that ease the pain and symptoms. If this doesn't work, more invasive treatments are often pursued, such as pain shots, epidurals, or even surgery. And even these invasive approaches have mixed results. When asked about the chances for success with spinal surgery, Dr. Eugene Karagi at Stanford estimates that less than a quarter of the operations will be completely successful. For the majority of patients, the surgery does not have a dramatic impact on either their pain or their mobility. He concludes that the patient's prospect for a future that is free from back pain is fairly poor. Chiropractors often find that the original cause of most leg pains and sciatica conditions start with nerve pressure in the spine. By looking here first, chiropractic care often provides great results with this condition by addressing the true cause of the problem. How is this done? For anything to work right and heal right in the body, the brain and the body must be able to communicate with each other. Every second, the brain sends millions of signals out to the body through the nerve system that is contained in the bones of your spine. And every second, the body sends millions of signals reporting back to the brain through the same nerve system inside the spine. This is how the body stays in balance to function right, feel right, and heal right. Over time, different stresses accumulate that create tension and imbalances in the body that can cause the bones of the spine to misalign. These misalignments can interfere with the nerve system traveling through the spine. The medical term for this misalignment with nerve interference is a subluxation. Chiropractors specialize in the detection and removal of subluxations and nerve interference so that the body can begin to heal and function normally. In the lower back and tailbone are the nerves that go down into the legs and feet. If these nerves are interfered with by the bones of the lower spine and pelvis, wherever the nerves go will not work at 100%. This means that this part of the body will not function right, feel right, or heal right. Chiropractors routinely find that subluxations of the lower back are the primary cause of most sciatica and leg pain. A series of chiropractic adjustments often can put an end to the needless suffering of this pain. If you know someone who continues to live with the pain and discomfort of any kind of leg pain, we ask that you please forward this video onto them and join us in our mission to end the unnecessary suffering. As always, we thank you for choosing our chiropractic office for natural solutions to promote better health for you and your family.